Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Frigidaire valve, part number 53045250044. The Frigidaire valve, part number 53045250044, is a replacement part for a variety of Frigidaire refrigerators. It is a valve that controls the flow of water from the water supply line to the refrigerator. The valve is made of plastic and metal and has two ports for connecting to the water supply line and the refrigerator. It also has an adjustable screw that can be used to adjust the flow rate of water into the refrigerator. This valve is designed to prevent water from flowing too quickly into the refrigerator, which can cause damage to its components. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement water valve for a Frigidaire refrigerator. It can be used to fix issues such as water leaking from the refrigerator, water not dispensing properly, or the ice maker not working. Here is how you install this part. 1. Turn off the water supply to the refrigerator. 2. Disconnect the water line from the existing valve. 3. Remove the mounting screws from the existing valve and remove it from the refrigerator. 4. Install the new Frigidaire valve, part number 53045250044 in place of the old one, using the same mounting screws. 5. Reconnect the water line to the new valve and turn on the water supply to the refrigerator. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.